Alrighty, here we go. Today, I'm trying to get into some boring stuff. I just want kind of to set and forget this marketing website, and so I need to create a couple assets. I did end up creating a couple PNGs for the marketing website just to show folks what's being used. Although I do not like, I like my background color on this, obviously, but you can't really see the black ones. So I want to go back in, put some borders around the black ones at least, and then create one more down here for like a developer experience. Just to kind of showcase like everything that you'll be getting with this. So let's go in here and do that. And then we'll fill out these too, like fill out these different sections for what it does. I don't have any idea what these assets are going to be yet, unfortunately. I have no inspo yet for those. No inspo yet for those, but we'll get there. Oops. Eventually. I don't need to know that. Okay, so let's just go back in here. Should have wanted. It's whatever. Let's go back in here. I want to add one more section to the stack section that revolves around developer experience. So the agentic side of coding that will be around continuous integration and deployment. So Playwright will be in there, GitHub, obviously, GitHub Actions. Playwright, local dev tunnels. Oh, GitHub Actions, Doppler for environment variables. Let's see. Marketing site, REST API. Oh, Docusaurus. Railway got that. Temporal got that. Prisma. I don't really care about those, to be honest. That's a little too in the weeds to talk about Upstash Redis, unless I reallocated this. This really should be down here. This is the hard part about the marketing side of things. It's like, what categories? Because like some of these have overlap, right? Yeah, so we have infrastructure, we have the app, and then we have like developer experience. And so I'm thinking of how to showcase which tools go where. And I should probably put the names of each of them down here, because like most people won't know what this is, which is the Neon Postgres database. They won't know what this is. And these are just PNGs, right? So it's like you can't even click and see what it is. And I created these in Canva, so it's like, we'll add one more page. We'll just start here, and you know, I just want to get this to a starting point to where I don't have to worry about it unless someone gives me an idea for like where to go next. So yeah, let's go back in here, keep going down. Maybe first promoter? No. Oh, Sentry. I definitely want Sentry. Sentry. Don't care about those. Yeah, we'll just start there, I guess. So right now I'm thinking of 3 different sections. We have infrastructure, the actual app, and developer experience. Currently in the infrastructure section, I have OpenAI, Anthropic, Temporal, Nest, Cloudflare, Railway, PostHog. And in the app section, I have Vercel, Neon Postgres, Next, Tailwind, HubSpot, Clerk, Stripe, and Resend. But I'm kind of thinking about breaking it up into infrastructure, app, maybe developer experience, and marketing and analytics or something like that. Yeah. So I'm looking for a logical groupings between all of these that will fit into one of those 3 sections. Oh, I like that. Use the app, run the app, build the app. Yeah, okay, so you're saying app, Next, Tailwind, Clerk, Stripe, Resend, HubSpot. The users, okay, yeah. Neon, Vercel. Infrastructure, what powers the app behind the scenes? OpenAI, Anthropic, Temporal, Nest, Cloudflare, Railway, PostHog. Developer experience, GitHub, GitHub Actions, Playwright, Doppler, Docusaurus, Sentry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I like that. So let's go in here and reorder some of these. Right. So I swear to God. Let's just go in here and do 3 sections. I gotta zoom out because I can't see jack shite. We have Vercel's in here, right? Yeah, Vercel, it's at the end. We have next. No. We have next. This goes down here, so I'll keep that in there. In case it's not obvious, design is not my strong suit. Okay. Clerk, which is this guy. Need to move this again. Clerk. And then stripe down at the bottom. Stripe. Resend, HubSpot, we'll just keep that there. And then resend. And I like kind of how it's like black color, neon, and then Vercel, right? And then in the second one, we have OpenAI, Anthropic, Temporal. What is this one? I actually can't remember which logo this is. Let's see if I named it. I probably didn't because I'm clapped like that. That's Clerk. None of those. Tailwind. Temporal. Oh, Turbo Repo. Am I putting that in here? Turbo Repo's not even in there. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just keep it in there for now, but Temporal goes next. We'll put it down here. Temporal's next. Nest.js is next. Cloudflare Railway Post Hog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well, 3 it is. Go in here, put this in the middle. And then the last one, GitHub Actions, Playwright, Doppler, Docusaurus, Sentry. Okay, well, I guess we'll just go in and get those. Playwright, I thought I had that in there earlier. Well, I know I have it. But, so we'll create one more of these. Put it over here. There's probably a better agentic way to do this, but like I feel like with assets on landing pages, I want to be able to change it, and so like creating it with AI is like as a static image. I don't like that. I don't think we're there yet as far as like design and image generation goes. Okay, let's go in here. GitHub. Logo PNG. Save image as GitHub. Can I do GitHub Actions? Is that a thing? Sure, yeah, we'll use this. Save image as GitHub Actions. And then we have Docusaurus. Docusaurus logo PNG. Hopefully this one's a PNG. It's not, but we can remove it in Canva. Docusaurus. And then Sentry. Sentry logo PNG. This little cutie. No. Save image as. Oh, I can just use theirs. Okay, then let's go back into Canva. We're gonna do this. We'll keep that. We're gonna do this though. Copy all of these. Paste them down here. Remove this guy. Just for the spacing, so all the spacing's the same. And then delete this. We'll add GitHub first. GitHub PNG. We'll make this white probably. So two things. We'll make this background remover. I think it already removed it, but edit. I thought that I could. I thought that I could change the colors on these. Why can't I change the colors on these? That's okay. We'll just make the background white. Background to white. And then add one stroke of a border. Maybe 1, 0, 2, 5 on the rounded corners. We'll call that a day right there. Okay, now GitHub Actions. We'll delete this. Come in here, GitHub Actions. That's not a PNG. Or, you know, background list, whatever. Cut this little cutie down. We'll change the color of this to that color, and then change this to white. White or black? Probably black. I'm gonna fix the color here in a second, don't you worry. Edit, tools, brightness, contrast. Black is death. GitHub Actions. Okay, Playwright is next. And I know I did Playwright earlier, so grab it from in here. This little cutie. Definitely gonna have to remove the background though. And make the color of this black, methinks. And for the black ones, I actually remember I wanted to put a white border around it. 1 with 5, and I want to make this white. I think it's going to help on the front end. You won't be able to see it in here, but it'll help. Playwright, but I do want to change the shadows in the back to black because I don't want it to be, none of the other ones are 3-dimensional, so I don't want this one to be 3-dimensional. I didn't get Doppler, I don't think. No. Doppler logo PNG. This guy. That's pixelated AF though. It's this. We'll save this. And then come in here, drag and drop. Let's see, delete this guy. What do we want? Do we want the whole thing? No. Let's just cut this down. Cut this down. And then remove the background. And we'll make this one black as well, I guess. Black with an outline, 1, 5, 1, 5, white. I don't like there's 2 black ones next to each other though. So we'll put this over here. And then we'll put this one over here, 57. Yeah. And then this needs, oh, I got it. All right, now we have Doppler, Docusaurus, and Sentry. So we'll go here for one, and here for another one. We'll go Docusaurus. Background remover. I hate design, dude. I literally hate design. What should the background color of this one be? Black, I guess. Black. Yeah. Or white. Do I have a white one? I have a white one with a square around it. How does that look in the front end? White with a square around it. Looks pretty shitty, I'm not gonna lie about it. So I think I would rather it be the square is black, text. Oh, I can't change that one. That's annoying. Needs to be white. 5 should just be 2. Okay, 2. Was it clerk? Yeah, clerk. Clerk auth logo. Images. I like this one, I think. Yeah. Save link. Clerk. This is the boring work of web like landing page design, I think, my opinion. I'm not a designer, so this kind of stuff annoys me. It takes so much mental effort for me to sit down and even do this because I hate design so much. All right, clerk. And then, yeah, I guess that's fine. With a border of 2 single line white and 5 here. Same thing with this. I forgot to change it to 2. And same thing with this one. 2. Last one, which is Sentry. I like the Sentry logo. It's kind of sick. We'll make this white if we can. It's supposed to be like more purple than that, I thought. Oh wait, no, we can't. We gotta make it black. That's a bummer. I like that more. Like whatever this logo was. We can find that one. I actually didn't know that was a superhero. Is this Marvel? Oh, it is Marvel. What is he in? Oh! Oh! This was in Thunder something? I forgot about him. Thunderbolts, yeah. Thunderbolts. Cast. Let's go get the cast. Sentry. Yeah. Huh. Who knew? Who knew? That was a mad, crazy rabbit hole. Sentry logo PNG. It's this one, right? If I could get that not pixelated, that'd be sick. But it's this purple color, so I could do that actually. What color is this? Let's just copy. Save image as. Image. Go back over here. Come in here. Change this to white. And then change the background of this one to this color. There we go. Now it's not pixelated. And we're Gucci. Let's the last one will be devxp.png. All right, so I like this, I think. Let's share it, download, highest quality, transparent background, download. Open it. Where'd it go? This little cutie. 3 PNGs. We'll add those to public right here. We'll delete this one. Dev experience PNG. Wait, how did you... It got that so quickly. Damn. How did it even know where it was? I guess I just put it in there and it picked it up. So I can delete that. I want to delete this one and this one. Delete. Ah. Rename app.png. This one is infrastructure.png, and this is the same thing, so I can just delete this one. I don't particularly like the white around this, and I hate the white around this. I changed this one. You think agents work really well with PNGs and stuff? Like renaming files. It was just so quick. Like I mean, you saw me probably do it. I drag and dropped it in there, and then like within 3 seconds it renamed the one to the other. I need to oh, this is the old one. Go away. And then localhost 3000, we'll come down here. Yeah, I hate this white border actually. Oh, I got you. What do you think about this white border? I'm not a designer, big dog. Classic front end bro problems. Just give me the design files and I'll make it look like that, but don't ask me to design my own. I kind of want... Everything else is sharp corners though. I was gonna say I kind of want rounded corners on these because it's like an app or whatever. And I think... Go to that website. svgl.dev. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. svgl.dev. Nope. svgl? Or is that I? It's gotta be L. Nope. I'm not smelling what you're stepping in. You did say SVGL. Yeah, what website are you talking about? Am I regarded right now? Am I being a regarded lad? Okay. Oh, .app. Oh. Okay, yeah, this would have been helpful, probably. Does it have all the ones I need? I'm assuming it doesn't. Let's just see, though. I know it's got to have Stripe. Stripe, yes. I like that one more, too. Stripe, Clerk. It does have Clerk. Wow. Let's see. It probably has all of them. It's .app, not .dev. Yeah. Next. Okay. all those. Well, it has all of them, so maybe I just wasted so much time. You've helped me twice now, dude. But now I'm like, it's already done, so. But this is more programmatic. So if I add or remove anything in the future, I can do that. So this is a better way. I just gotta make sure it has all of them. Doesn't have HubSpot. I guess I could submit one. I'm surprised it doesn't have HubSpot. I guess it's for marketing though. HubSpot. I'm gonna keep this in the back pocket though. I'm just trying to get this to like a handoff state. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I hate these white lines though. One, two, three, four. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that. I was trying to emulate this other website, and they use like a PNG for theirs. These are pretty. Where was it? Like this. It's like a PNG image, right? So it's kind of similar. Yeah. All right. Let's just save this and commit it for now. Update landing page. I know you said, yeah, I think you're going to be right, dude, to be honest. That's always a consideration, too. Because, like, if you zoom in, these are all blurry. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's see. Where'd you go? I want to use, instead of the hard-coded PNG images that are in the app right now for the app icons, go into that website, download the package from NPM, and use every icon that is available, and the ones that aren't, notify me, and I will provide PNG images, SVG images of those for the ones that are missing. Let's see. I'm sure it'll be Gucci. Yeah, because you drive a good point. Like, this looks, I mean, this looks fuzzy, right? Even from out here, I can tell this looks fuzzy. And then when you zoom in, obviously you can tell that it's pixelated AF, which I despise. So the only thing is, if some of them are black, I wonder how we'll be able to take that into account. I guess I could always just make a component. I could just make a component and color it differently based on the color of the image that's coming in. So for example, I guess none of them are black. They're all white. How do they take into account, let's click into here. Can we click in? How do they take into account a white screen, like a white page? Let's go look at the API. Oh, HubSpot, Doppler, or GitHub Actions. Yeah, GitHub Actions doesn't have its own logo anyways. So that's not a shocker to like at all. Is missing true. Let's go see. Does not exist. Export temporal does not exist in target mode. I'm sure we're going to have to restart the dev server, pnpm install, pnpm install. Did I already ask you what you do, Huigago? I thought about asking you earlier, but I don't remember if I actually asked you or not. Could you seem in the know about a lot of stuff? npm dev. And I know that the other day you mentioned that you worked on a couple multi-million-dollar apps, which is dope. Yeah, that's just the docs, dude. Don't worry about that. Don't like that. Anthropic is missing. Oh, all these are missing. I kind of like this more though. These little squares. I don't hate it. So Vercel, I'm shocked that Vercel's not in there actually. What? Unless it's just black and you can't see it. Oh, it's white. It does have Vercel. You goofy guy. GitHub is dark. Well, we can just keep those. That's fine. I wonder if these are. Oh yeah, it's black, so you can't see it. Okay. Been working on EDI software for work. That's dope, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Shoot. No, go away, dude. Sometimes the... Okay. Did we add the ability... Add the ability to add in a background color to the tools objects that will accept a hex code color, so that if the logo that's coming in is black, we can change the background to one of their brand colors. This song is annoying. I'm not even gonna lie about it. Oof. I'm a sax guy, not a trumpet guy. This trumpet's gotta get out of here. That about triggered me, dude. I'm not even gonna lie about it. Ooh, neon Postgres one's pretty, dude. That was good looks, honestly. That was good looks on that package, NPM package. Okay. So railway needs to be white. Didn't change. Oh, this is in this one. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Why didn't railway change the white though, even though I changed it in here? Maybe didn't make the changes yet. Because Anthropic's like that orange color. Dog. You gotta cut it out. I like having Playwright MCP installed, but sometimes it's annoying when it pops up like in my working window. I guess I could just move it over here. Off the screen. Also, RIP Stack Overflow, am I right, my boy? All of our origins started on Stack Overflow, dude. Daily active users of this plummeted. Super sad panda. I don't remember the last time I went to Stack Overflow. Crazy. Also, why is this showing up? Why is this showing up when I Google or when I search for cell? Okay, go back here, refresh maybe. Hard refresh. Railway is still black as death. Even though I have it. If I change it to red, what happens? For cell light. Guess I don't understand. You have to kill it, or maybe added something else. I don't know why I would have, but yeah, because even post hog needs to be changed because like there's a black piece in front of it, like up here. You can't see it, but it's there. Hydration failed, didn't match. Cache. No, why is this already at the bottom? That's weird. What is chat still working on? That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. I still don't know why this isn't changing the color. Let's see. If I change another one. Oh, well, that's not what I wanted to change, but definitely not what I wanted to change. Let's just go and find that variable and move it to this. Doink. I think we want it in here. What? Dude, my thing's wigging out. Background. Yeah, so this, if I change this. Yeah, so stack icon mark. That's all of them though. I don't need to do that. Shoot. There you go. So for one, so for railway, we want white. For OpenAI, we want white. For Anthropic, what's Anthropic's brand color hex code? Well, they use white on this, but I think Anthropic's more well known for, well, Claude at least. I guess Anthropic's white. We'll save it and see what the white looks like. Anthropic. I kind of like the orange color for them Anthropic more. Anthropic. Also white. Yeah, it's fine. Resend white, Vercel white. Vercel. And then resend. No. Okay, I like that. Oh, GitHub too. What about GitHub? GitHub and potentially Century too. Yeah. I like it. Good call. Good call, Quigago. I like it. And since we're already giving it the names beside it, I think this is redundant. Oh, this has got to be white too. Forgot post hog because there's like a little something in front right here. Post hog. Yeah. Nice. Clean. I'm going to add to this list too more things that are coming down the pipeline, but as far as like the initial stack, this is it. I do want to add the HubSpot logo in here though, because it's pretty iconic. Temporal too. So you're saying now I can go in here and add, instead of these, I can delete those, move to trash. We'll say in here, since I already have all of them, I can go because which ones was it? It was, I know it was temporal, I know it was I need to make it a square though. So let's just open a new design, 400 by 400. We'll temporal. Oops. Paste that in there. Make it big. Add another page. HubSpot. Kind of want save image as HubSpot 1. Let's see if that one's better, because that other one's pretty pixelated. Nice. Cool, I like that. So temporal, HubSpot, what are the other ones that are missing? Doppler. I know Doppler was missing. Doppler, logo, SVG. It's this guy, but that's pixelated AF. Oh, is it? Yeah, that's not an SVG. Can't be. Oh, here it is. Okay, what other ones are missing? GitHub Actions. It's not a big deal. Oh, Doppler's not even in here. Doppler would be, I guess Doppler would be probably in the app. GitHub Action. Oh no, it's right here. I'm literally restarted. GitHub Actions. We'll just keep that one that way. All right, so we can go in here. Back to Canva, share, download, SVG, transparent background. Yeet. Temporal, HubSpot, why didn't Doppler? Okay, cool, Doppler. And we'll put, dang it, where'd you go? Put these in images, stack. Instead of the is missing true, or instead of the placeholder for the ones that are missing from svgl.app, instead of putting the placeholder as like the first character of the technology, I want to pull those from the public images stack folder. So for Doppler, HubSpot, and Temporal, add another item in the tools objects for like custom PNG or something and add those SVGs accordingly for Doppler, HubSpot, and temporal. Nice. I actually want that to be purple. I want it to be their like pink purple color. I want Railway to be that purple color too, because they have like their own. They have like their purple color in here too. Might be too dark though. We'll just keep it white. All right, and then HubSpot, I want to be white. Nice. I think that was it. Oh, no way. I didn't know that. Why did it get disabled? Oh, this is like recent, dog. Oh, they accidentally did it, which is probably an AI, like some sort of AI bot that flagged it incorrectly or something. Yikes. That's scary, dude. That's scary. Wow. That was a long time too, bro. 9 hours, dude. About 11 hours almost. That's crazy. 11-hour outage is crazy. Wow. that's good. Now I need images for all of these. Dude, why are you zoomed in like that, dog? Does that happen every time no. Okay. Gives your new app a head start. Most apps need the same hard patterns: accounts, teams, payments, emails, AI tools, customer notes, error reports. Launch Soku puts those pieces in place before you start. It's a book. Don't care. It's a cool landing page. Is this a video? Yeah, it's just a video. I like this. I like that a lot. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, wow. That's kind of dope. Dang. Some front-end engineers are just dope, dude. Like that Apple-style scroll effect. Like I'm scrolling right now and it's like doing stuff as I scroll. Obviously that's not new. It's just been around for like 8 years, but I always like to see pages like this. It's just pretty cool. The time it takes to create these assets though, dude, is insane. All right, I gotta figure out. This is cool. Don't know anything about software, bro? What do you want to know? What do you want to do? This is super cool. Dude, 141 billion requests. That's insane. It's insane that it's real time. Very cool. This is also a very cool image. Dude, some tech websites are just dope. Railway. Docusaurus. I'm kind of just trying to look at different websites to get to get asset inspiration? Oh, using AI, dude? Yeah. What have you built so far? What do you like getting into? Like what niche or what kind of things do you want to write? Do you want to build? Let's see what your generic chat says. This is a section of my website, and I'm looking to create a new asset for the area on the right. I need inspiration for what type of image asset would be cool and compelling to put there for users to understand that this app is their production level starting point for their agentic software business. Let's see what it says. That was really quick though. Okay, I like that. I don't hate it. Production app blueprint. Blueprints out architectural diagram, floating 3D space, frosted glass, technical schematic, labels like. Jeez. Let's try it. Yeah, no joke. I am from Texas in the United States. I don't know where you're from. CS. Yeah, from Texas. I'm in Dallas. Well, North Dallas. Just moved here kind of recently. I say recently. A little under 2 years. But yeah, where are you from, big dog? Okay, I don't hate that. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Okay, there you go. There you go. There was someone here yesterday that was from India too. He built something pretty cool. Oh, it's actually right here. He built this. I forgot to sign up. I need to sign up. For a free trial at least. He didn't tell me where in India he was from though. But this is a cool website or a cool app idea. Competitor analysis on autopilot, which is cool. Yeah, I was streaming last night at around midnight. I think it was 1 a.m. my time. And he said it was lunchtime for y'all, so he dipped out for lunch around 1 a.m. my time. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out some different image assets that I can use on my landing page. Because yeah, dude, hit me up. Yeah, I'm trying to get some images in here. These are placeholders. So I'm trying to figure out how to fill these up with like actionable assets. Link in there's a link in my bio, or the description of this video has my IG. Hit me up, dude. I need to start like a Discord for all the homies to just like hang out like offline and stuff too. That'd be kind of fun. That'd be kind of fun. I should do that. Maybe I'll do that after stream. Set up a cute little Discord for the boys. Hang out. All right, chat. What do you got for me? Ooh, I like it. I don't hate it, actually. Let's download it and remove create. We'll do custom size 800 by 800. Create. Let's drag and drop this little cutie in there. And let's see what happens when I remove the background. Ooh. I don't despise it. Do I love it? It's not terrible. Let's see what it looks like in app. Download SVG transparent background. We'll go there. I don't like the Launch Soku core text. Where'd it go? Images, I guess, backgrounds. Desktop, screenshot, no. Launch this guy. In the section of the app to the right, there is the graphics with the boxes. I want to replace that with the launch soku core.svg file that's in public images backgrounds. Let's see if that looks snazzy or not. I would have just done it myself, but these are actually HTML elements. Like each box is its own element. I kind of just created it on the fly, I guess, when I first generated this website or this landing page. So, I don't know. Just let the agent do it. Let the agent do it, dog. That looks pretty shitty. I'm not going to lie about it. I hate that so much. I had high hopes. It looks very tacky. Let's go back in here. Okay, let's go in here, downloads. Make it more like this. Nothing makes me feel like I'm wasting my time than generating images inside of ChatGPT, dude. A necessary evil. Wasting my time. That's due in part to me just not being a designer. Like, I don't, yeah. No. I mean, we can try it. I don't think I'm gonna like it, but no, that's garbage. And it's purple and the background's purple, so it actually needs to be like white anyways. The nodes and core and everything really need to be white because the background is already purple, so it won't pop. Please make it like in the same style as the Happy Laptop 2 AVIF file. Dude, it does not listen. Download. Let's see what this one does. It's not going to be good, but yeah, we'll try it, see what happens. I don't like it. At this point, it's like, Sure, we'll keep that for now. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's whatever. Start with the hard part's already done for you. Yeah, I mean, that's basically the same thing as this. Yeah, dude, this is like literally the hardest part about any of this. Just figuring out these damn... I think I'm gonna get rid of this whole section. But I like it. See, I like this. Connect your apps to other tools. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to get some inspiration from some other places. I feel like I have a like artist block right now. So I'm gonna go do some off-stream research on different types of assets I can put in here. And hopefully I can finish this by tomorrow, because I do not want to work on this page again. So with that, I'm going to bounce out of here. Yeah. I'm going to bounce out of here. Designing is hard.